What's up, yo? Today I'm going to show you how to install the PRL filter. Yeah, let's get to it. So there's going to be 4 screws in the actual intake box itself. They're going to have to unscrew. I'll show you right here. There's 1, 2 focuses right there, right there, right there. You can see the other one is right there. Not focusing, but you get the point. So you have to unscrew all of those. You don't have to unscrew them all the way. Just to a point where it's a little loose. And then you're gonna have to unscrew this one right here. So you're gonna have to take this clip off. This clip is in right here. It's a bit to take off. It might break. If it breaks, you can just go to your local Acura dealership and get a couple more. I actually broke mine the first time doing it. Still a little piece. But you're gonna have to take this out. So just gonna have to wiggle this a little bit. Not too much pressure, just wiggle it though so it comes out. Just gonna have to unhook this. So as you can see right here, it is hooked in. So you're just gonna have to hook it, take it out like that. There you go. So after taking this out, oh, I didn't even slam that shit. You're gonna make sure this screws out. You're gonna take the hose off of here. Make sure it's unscrewed. I actually already started lifting this up. You just gotta wiggle a little bit and it'll come out. Let me just grab this to make sure it doesn't fall down from the engine bay. And you're gonna take off just like that. So this is gonna be your filter. Mine's pretty dirty. So just gonna put this back here. Make sure it goes in pretty snug. Make sure that it fits in the corners. Put it down first like that. Just push down on it. And now it's done. Now you just gotta put everything back. Alright, so now we have this back where it should be. You gotta make sure that these 2 little clips at the bottom right here go in. So just push that one in. Let's see about the second one. Second one's in too. So now you're just going to tighten up these screws. You're gonna want to make sure that you screw this one in too. The tube is back in place. Alright, so we're gonna want to put this piece back in there. Take some wiggling to do. Just make sure it's in front of that little blue bolt right there. Just push it down. Make sure it's back in the spot. For some reason, if you broke your clip, it's all good. You can get more from your Acura dealer. You can drive around like this with no clip, but I actually didn't break mine. So hold on 1 second. So put it back in. Push down, and now everything is back to normal. This goes right here. This goes back into here. I'll do it with my right hand, so I'm not a lefty. And then this one goes back into there. All right, I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like in a bit.